Here, I'm gonna show you how to change completion day, possession day, or any date for real estate transaction. All you have to do is find addendum, get addendum, and then type in as follow: the buyer and the seller agree to change the possession date from to all other terms remains the same. Time is of the essence. Also, you can use the same paragraph and just change possession date to completion or the final subject removal or adjustment. So that's all you need to do, and then get the buyer and seller to sign it. That's it.